Hey again! So, in this video, we will instead be dealing with the second slide. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is first look around and nothing is the same. X values, Y values, nothing. So, when this happens, we're gonna have to find something called the least common multiple to be able to solve this. And in order to do that, we're just going to have to, multiply. So, based on my calculations right here, what I know is that there's 3 and there's a 5. And the first least common multiple of 3 and 5 is 15 because 3 times 5 is 15, 5 times 3 is 15. Pretty self-explanatory and stuff. So what I am now going to do is multiply each equation by, the its own number to get y's to be the same. So I'm going to multiply the first equation by negative, or no, sorry. I'm going to multiply the first equation by 5 and the second equation by 3. And just to show, so there's a 5 up there, just a little 5. And then to show that I'm multiplying, I'm just going to draw these little lines out to, distribute. Just distributing everything properly. There we go. It looks a little messy. So I'm going to write my new equations in a dark blue. So 5 times negative 7x, negative 35x. 5 times negative 3y, negative 15y. 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. Then for the second equation, 3 times negative 4x, negative 12x. 3 times negative 5y, negative 15y. See, now they're the same. And 3 times negative 28 is negative 84. Now, what I'm going to do is use the same method as before. So in order to do that, we're going to get, the 15s, and they are the same sign. So we're going to subtract them. So let's start from here. 35x minus negative 12 minus makes a plus. So that's going to lead us with negative 23x. And then these two will cancel out. And then equals negative, positive. It'll give us a 69. Now what I'm going to do is just divide both sides by negative 23 to get my final answer for the x. And with that being said, x equals, oh, that's a little bit low, x equals negative 3. Just circle that. Oh, that's a bad circle. Circle that properly. And just draw a little divider. Oh, that's a bad divider. It's fine. And now what we're going to do is to find the y, we're going to take this and plug it into one of these first equations. So negative 7 times negative 3 minus 3y equals negative 3. So the first thing we're going to do is multiply these and get 21. And then minus 3y equals negative 3. Now we're just going to subtract 21 from both sides, get negative 3y equals negative 24. Now what I'm going to do is subtract both sides by negative 3, and we will get our y equals positive 8. And once again, like before, all we're going to do is we're going to write this out as an ordered pair, negative 3, 8, and we're done.